When it comes to upgrading your home's windows, there are many options to consider. However, for homeowners in Clearwater, vinyl windows stand out as one of the most practical, cost-effective, and durable choices. From energy efficiency to low maintenance, vinyl windows offer several key benefits that make them a smart investment for any homeowner looking to enhance their property's value and performance. In this article, we'll explore why vinyl windows are a top choice for Clearwater homeowners, highlighting their numerous advantages and why they're worth considering when replacing or installing windows in your home. Energy efficiency. Save on utility bills. Living in Clearwater, homeowners know how important it is to manage energy costs, especially during the hot, humid summer months. Vinyl windows are highly energy efficient and can significantly reduce your cooling and heating bills by preventing drafts and regulating temperature. Thermal insulation. Vinyl windows are often multi-chambered, meaning they have internal air pockets within the frame that help to insulate your home. These air pockets act as a barrier, reducing heat transfer and keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Energy-efficient glass. Many vinyl windows are paired with double or triple pane glass, which further improves insulation. When combined with low-E glass, which reflects heat, these windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the need for constant use of your air conditioning or heating systems. By choosing vinyl windows, Clearwater homeowners can enjoy lower energy bills and a more comfortable indoor environment year-round. Low maintenance. A stress-free solution. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their low maintenance. Unlike wooden windows, which can rot, warp, or require frequent painting and sealing, vinyl windows are incredibly durable and require very little upkeep. Weather resistance. Vinyl is highly resistant to moisture, meaning it won't warp, crack, or rot like wood. This makes vinyl windows an excellent choice for Clearwater's humid climate. They also resist fading from the sun, so they'll maintain their appearance for years without peeling or cracking. Easy to clean. Vinyl windows are smooth and easy to clean, often requiring only a quick wipe down with soap and water to maintain their appearance. Many models also feature tilt and sashes, making it easier to clean both sides of the window from inside your home. With vinyl windows, you can save time and money on maintenance, making them an ideal option for homeowners looking for a hassle-free window solution. Durability and longevity. Vinyl windows are built to last. Made from strong, impact-resistant materials, these windows can withstand the challenges of Clearwater's climate, from intense summer heat to occasional storms and heavy rain. Vinyl windows don't rust, corrode, or rot, making them a more durable option compared to wood or metal windows. Long-lasting performance. Properly installed vinyl windows can last for decades, maintaining their structural integrity and functionality. As a homeowner, you won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. This long lifespan provides excellent value for your investment. Resilience to the elements. Vinyl's ability to resist moisture, UV rays, and extreme temperatures ensures that your windows stay functional and visually appealing for many years. Whether facing salty air from the coast or a rainy season, vinyl windows can hold up to the local environment without compromising on performance. Aesthetic appeal. Improve your home's appearance. Vinyl windows come in a wide variety of styles, shapes, and colors, making them an excellent option for homeowners who want to improve their home's curb appeal. Whether you have a modern, traditional, or coastal-inspired home, there are vinyl window options that will complement your aesthetic. Variety of designs. Vinyl windows are available in styles such as double-hung, casement, sliding, and bay windows, allowing you to choose the best fit for your home's architecture and your personal style preferences. Customization. Vinyl windows can be customized with different frame colors and finishes, allowing you to match them perfectly with your home's exterior. Some manufacturers even offer wood grain finishes, giving you the classic look of wood windows without the maintenance drawbacks. By upgrading to vinyl windows, you can enhance both the interior and exterior aesthetics of your home, giving it a fresh, modern look that will appeal to both your family and potential buyers if you decide to sell. Affordability. A budget-friendly upgrade. When compared to other window materials like wood or fiberglass, vinyl windows are an affordable option for homeowners. While the upfront cost of installation may vary depending on the window style and features, vinyl windows typically offer a lower price point without sacrificing quality or performance. Cost-effective solution. Due to their low maintenance and long lifespan, vinyl windows provide a solid return on investment. You won't need to spend money on frequent repairs or replacements, and you'll benefit from energy savings over time. This makes vinyl windows one of the most cost-effective window choices for homeowners in Clearwater. Environmentally friendly option. Although vinyl windows are made from plastic, many manufacturers today use recyclable materials and offer energy-efficient designs, which help reduce your home's overall carbon footprint. By choosing vinyl windows, you're making a smart choice for the environment, as their insulating properties can help conserve energy and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Conclusion. Vinyl windows are a smart investment for Clearwater homeowners. For Clearwater homeowners, vinyl windows offer a range of benefits, including energy efficiency, low maintenance, durability, aesthetic appeal, and affordability. With their ability to withstand humidity, extreme temperatures, and harsh weather, vinyl windows are the perfect choice for protecting your home while improving its comfort and appearance. If you're looking to upgrade your windows and make a lasting investment in your home, vinyl windows are an excellent option. Reach out to a local window installation company today to explore your options and find the best vinyl windows for your home.